Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to get a free Skate avatar decoration as well as a free 700 Discord Orbs by playing Skate for 15 minutes. If you didn't know, Skate released today on September 16th from its beta version, and it's currently in early access, but it's completely free to play right now, so you do not need to pay any money to get these quests on Discord. And as well as it's on Steam, so I'll have this linked in the description below, or you could just go to your Steam store and search up Skate or Skate period, and the first option will be the new game. If you don't have the game installed, all you'll do is go to the game page, scroll down a little bit, and there'll be a play game and an add to library button. All you'll do is click on add to library to add it to your library, and once it's in your library, then you'll simply have to install the game. It's only 8 GB required space, so it's not too large of a game to install. And this quiz can be done on PC as well as PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Although for the PlayStation versions, it should also be free on the PlayStation Store, but I'm not fully aware. But if you are on PC, which majority of you are, then you'll just install it through Steam and simply launch the game. The first thing you're going to want to do though is go to the Discovery tab, which is on the bottom on the left side of your server list in Discord. And by the way, you could do this on both the Discord app or the Discord browser, but I always prefer the app because it usually works better, although both can actually work. As well as if you do not see these quests inside of your quest tab in the Discovery tab, you could also use a VPN in order to see the quests if they are region locked. But either way, once you find these two Skate quests beside each other, you'll just accept both of them. This one here for the avatar decoration is a video quest, while the other one is an actual playtime quest. So for the playtime quest, you'll just click on accept quest, then you'll choose the platform that you're playing on. For most of you, it will be on desktop, but if you're on console, on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, then you'll click on quest on console. By the way, if you're doing it on console, you have to make sure that in your user settings, under connections, let me just turn this off. Under connections, you have to make sure that your PlayStation account is connected. If you don't know how to connect your PlayStation account, you just go to the connections tab in your user settings, click on this top section here, and there should be a PlayStation Network button. Unless this game is on Xbox, or if you're doing another quest that is on Xbox, then you can connect your Xbox account as well right here, but for this quest it'll be on PlayStation, so you'll click on PlayStation, you'll basically continue, and it'll take you to the PlayStation site where you'll sign in with your PlayStation Network account, and once it's connected it will be displayed on your profile. You do not need to display the actual connection on your profile, but as long as it's connected then it will work. As well as make sure that that your PlayStation Network account is using the same email as your Discord account in order for you to get the right rewards when doing the quest. So for these 700 Discord Orbs, you'll just choose your platform here. For me, it is desktop, and then you'll simply launch the game. And once you launch the game, this progress bar will start filling up. It will turn green, which will tell you that it does detect the game is playing, and then you'll simply have to play the game. You don't even have to play the game, you could just have the game open in the main screen. Either way, as long as you have the game running for 15 minutes, you'll get this quest done, and you'll simply click on complete quest or accept rewards, and the 700 Discord Orbs will be added to your Discord account. If you want to know how many Discord Orbs you have in total, it'll say in the top right here, which is right here. This will be your Orbs amount. And if you click on this and click on open the shop, it will take you to the Discord Orb shop where you could buy different items. I do have a full video on Discord Orbs if you do want to check that out. But just to summarize, you could buy basically any decoration, not any decoration, but most decorations that Discord offers, as well as these exclusive items such as exclusive background effect, exclusive border effect, as well as the badge, which a lot of people want, and of course 3-day Nitro credit. So if you do 2 of these 700 quests, you can get this and you'll get Nitro for 3 days. So that's how you get the 700 Discord Orbs, but now how to get the actual decoration. So all you're going to do is click on Start Video Quest here, and once you click Start Quest, it'll start playing a trailer for the game. By the way, this is only 30 seconds long, so you'll have to watch this through, but it's only 30 seconds, so it's not that long. And all we're going to do is watch this short video, and I will cut back to when we are finished. And there we go. So once you're done the quest, there'll be a claim reward button in the bottom right. By the way, if you look in the top right here, we can see that the green bar is fully filled. So same with the other quest, this will be similar to what it will look like. It will just be a green glowing circle that will be fully filled at 100%, and that will tell you that you can claim the reward. But you'll just click on claim reward in the bottom right here and verify you're human. And there we go, we got the skate avatar decoration. And another thing I want to note is if you do have Discord Nitro on your profile, you get to keep it forever. So if you do not have Nitro and you claim this, which is fine, it's still free and you could use it for free, but it only lasts for I think 2 or 3 months before it actually gets removed from your account. Or if not removed, then it will get locked. I'm not sure how it works now, but either way though, if you have Nitro, you get to keep it. But anyways though guys, that is the tutorial on how to get the skate avatar decoration as well as the new skate quest for 700 Discord orbs. If you have any questions or problems with this, please join my Discord server. It will be linked in the description below, and here you could ask any Discord related questions in the support chat, as well as please share this video with any friends that needs this quest done, and as well as please subscribe to my channel. We're going for 3,000 subscribers, and once we hit 3,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial or Discord update video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.